Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Apps Every Day, and today we're talking about Mojo. And I actually made a video on Mojo last year, but they've had a couple updates and bug fixes, one of which I addressed in the last video that I want to talk about. So let's jump right in and check out what's new. So it's not a total redesign or anything, but they changed around kind of the layout and added a couple things that I really appreciate. So if you don't already know, Mojo is a place where you can make primarily Instagram stories or really any social media stories, posts, and just kind of other good graphics very quickly. But also, in my opinion, they look the most professional out of a lot of other apps that do something similar. So one of the things that they added was this create from scratch section kind of towards the top. And I really like this because it used to be they had a couple blank templates that were like really close to the bottom, so you always had to like scroll and kind of find it in the mix. So I really like that it's up here at the top. And again, you can quickly see the logos for all the different social platforms and quickly create something for it. They've really honed in on the whole 16:9 aspect ratio. So for Facebook and YouTube and Twitter, rather than just kind of expanding upon or rather than just sticking with the 9:16 vertical stuff. So I really like that you can just open a blank template and kind of add graphic stuff in here. Now on the home page again, you have the featured page at the top. This is kind of a nice curation of their latest stuff or stuff they're trying to promote. So I can always hit the what's new, and then basically similar to Instagram stories, I can just tap on the right side of the screen and I can either watch something in full to see a new template, or if I'm not interested, just keep clicking to see what's next. And then if there's one that I happen to really like, maybe, so I can see they add a bunch of stuff here. So maybe I like this one. Rather than having to go find it, I can actually just hit create story at the bottom, and that's going to automatically open the template, which is super nice. And of course I can just start editing. So I can replace the background thing, maybe with something else. Maybe I'll just put a photo as the background. Cool camera. And then of course I can edit this. And then I've really liked adding a lot of under the graphics. The only thing I don't like is the stickers. You don't have like a search function. Maybe it's because these are all the stickers, so it doesn't really matter. But for GIFs, you have a nice search thing here. So they're right at the top there, but I would hit YouTube, and you can kind of scroll through and find anything you like. So I really like this middle one here. That'll get added. Place it wherever I want. Maybe add some text. Add some cool new ones from here. Sure, not the greatest layout in the world, but it works. And then one of the biggest bugs that I talked about in the last video that the developer actually commented saying like, wow, they didn't even know that was a thing, was when I go to hit save, what I used to have to do is actually save it to my camera roll and then open Instagram and then go to create a post. Because what would happen is if I just hit Instagram stories straight from here, it basically would like delete everything that I typed in Instagram. It was kind of weird, hard to explain, but it's not really an issue anymore. So if I just hit Instagram story, it's automatically going to open Instagram and add a new story in. So that's pretty cool. And all right, Pride Festival popping right up. And so, yeah, that's taking a look at the Mojo app. Again, just a little bit of an update. If you guys want to check it out for yourselves, it's down in the description below. See you guys tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.